if you are looking for a double heat press, this is going to be the one that you want. First of all, this color is pretty amazing, okay? This is how you release and open to put your tumbler inside. And you can tell that it's a nice wide opening. And on this side, it does the same thing. So there are two red buttons here on the back, and this is what turns them on. Okay, so that one's preset at 400 and it will heat up. And let's do this one. And this left side over here is where the top will heat up, and this right side, you can see the R right here, it will heat up this side, and these are already getting hot. You can set the timer up and down, and you can set the temperature. So both of them can be set completely differently. So these knobs right here on the sides, you can tighten the pressure on the cup press, and you just make sure that before you start, you get these adjusted properly. Put your cup in there with this completely turned off, and then adjust the pressure settings. And they are like that on both sides. Okay, we can still see that these items are preheating, and that is okay, but I want to draw your attention now to these buttons down here. We are going to set the timer, which you can see 45 seconds. So what I'm going to do is push this button, and the timer is counting down. Now, the one that's on the bottom over here on the right controls the right, and this one on the left will control the left and the top. So you'll see that one set at 120 degrees. 120 seconds, I'm sorry. And we're gonna push this one and watch, it'll start counting down. And this one's about done. And it'll go off in just a moment. Okay, so now we're gonna push this button. Stops the timer and completely resets it. Now at this point in time, you would open this side up if you had a tumbler inside, turn it 180 degrees or whatever your preferences are. You would shut it, and then you would press the timer one more time for another countdown. It's a great product.